What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So, my name is Manya, or Heaven, a greater launch frequency on tries to find that mind, to transcend the body motivation, to ascend to celestial here on earth. Everybody wants to get here and not at the same time, baby. Let's go. Self-defense, self-love, self-efficacy, self-reliance, self-preserving. To defend and guard ourselves from the negative energies. Now, energy is all around us, all around you, at all times. Our electromagnetic field in our full spectrum has some positive, good, uplifting energies that we can imagine. And some of it is dark, harmful energies, and some could be very light and positive, motivational force. The full spectrum in our opposite polarity is energy that matters, the law of conservative. Look around you, you will see all that energy in a state of our beingness. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It just, as it is, right here. And for example, if you're not happy about something, you feel drained. If you're happy about something, you're uplifted, energized, and positively you are that beacon of light. Everything is energy, and that is all there is to it. That's what Einstein said, right? We match the frequency. And Nikola Tesla said, you want to understand the universe, learn about the frequency. So within the frequency of a reality, you want to help, to elevate, to lift the spirits, those who are just the head above the water. As we flow in life, the energy is with the wind, releasing discrete at times. And it's called the photons, the gamma ray, the delta, the alpha, the energy that spirits into particle and the anti-particle pairs. And these pairs are expected to be annihilating each other. However, for every 10 billion particles or so, there was one extra particle which is remain at the end of the split. Just kind of like when the sperm go into the eggs, there's could be one that enter and take birth, incarnation, reincarnation. So the particle that gather from the form, what we see is the trillions of stars and billions of in the galaxy, in this universe. After a harsh period of chaos and heaviness, it is important to know how to protect. On guard yourself from the negative force and all around you. Relinquish it, release and transcend from those dark, black, inorganic, not spicy. Spicy is delicious, long. It's like a curse, a voodoo, superstitions that is negative, the attitude that is opinionated of others that is sinister, and it's insidious, that is trying to attack the psyche realms. So we got to protect ourselves in the realms that we're living in here now. They call it 3D world, right? We see visually, but spiritually speaking, we see in the optical nerve and through the microscope, we see that it's vibrations. As we guide ourselves, teacher, in the spiritual, we have to have that protection, on guard, be the armor, the beacon of light, to protect our energy confidently and sacredly. The power is within us, because love is sacred. So we protect it. The truth is, however, is that the energy is conserved. That's why we have that self-preserving, to be bold, courageous, strange, and energetic, self-preserving. So no matter the mass it's just another form of energies. So we got to have that mind over matter, right? It's conversions, the energy to flow through that life trajectory that we're living in, that expansions from one life to another. In other words, from one form to the next. From life force, this incarnation, to the next reincarnation, from that previous reincarnation, here we are, speaking to you. The process of reality of reincarnations take birth according to our karma. It is evidence that is the carnations since birth up until now, right? The incarnation from the boy, childhood up to adulthood and old age and the inevitable death. if you look back at your own self, you can see that we are not the same. Hardly we remember and understand the fundamental principle of life, including the knowledge and the experience that comes with wisdom, the temporary of life that exists in its infinite. Yet, the paradoxical of the world is that we witness, we see it, we view it, the life and death of the dear one, which gravitate ourselves to that being, which life form is not much different than ours. Apart from it, it's just that our conscious and our personality characteristic that we have cultivated. Thus, we transcend, elevate, alleviate, alter the consciousness, right? To ascend above the deprivations. Henceforth, peaceful warrior. Namaste. The battle is always within, not without there. The competition is also in this world. That is the conquering of another instead of conquering oneself. The victorious in life is a fun fact to our own life that we enjoy intrinsically. We enjoy unconditionally, that we're able to be alone, stand alone, and be mindful and having a good time without depending on another. That's called self-reliance, self-efficacy, self-love. With peace of mind and love of heart, baby. Thank you, and take care.